Hi everyone, Candice here with Foster 360. I'm here today with Justin Smith, who is a certified financial planner. I asked him to make this video with me because I hear so many questions about the foster care tax credit, which we also refer to as the QFCO, Qualified Foster Care Charitable Organization. Foster 360 qualifies for this tax credit. And I hear either a lot of questions from people who are interested in supporting us, but also quite a bit of skepticism. So Justin, thank you so much for being here. And please tell us, what exactly is a tax credit?
Yeah, thanks for having me, Candice. And you're right, there is a lot of confusion, but at its core, it's a really incredible opportunity that the state of Arizona is providing us. It allows any taxpayer to effectively redirect their tax dollars away from the state coffers and directly into causes that you care about, and it costs you absolutely nothing. So the way it works is that these charitable tax credits create a dollar for dollar offset in your tax liability. So $1 of credit will either reduce the amount you owe by $1 or it will increase your refund by $1. So again, you're just effectively redirecting your tax dollars away from the state of Arizona and directly into worthy causes. And when I first moved here, I honestly didn't believe it. It sounded too good to be true as well. So I totally understand that skepticism. But being the financial planning tax nerd that I am, I went straight to the Arizona Department of Revenue website to do the research for myself and my clients. And it is absolutely true. It is a fantastic benefit.
So specifically for QFCOs, how big is the credit for contributions?
So the credit is as much as $500 for single filers and $1,000 for married filing joint returns.
Well, a question that comes up a lot is, what if I don't owe any dollars? What happens to my credit?
Yeah, so if you have a refund or you don't owe any money, it simply increases the size of that refund.
So let us take a specific example. So imagine I was supposed to receive a refund of $200 without any charitable contributions, and I make a $1,000 contribution to Foster 360. What happens?
So yes, you'd be standing by with a $200 refund. You would make that $1,000 contribution to a QFCO. You could claim that $1,000 tax credit. And when you filed your return, you would now be eligible for a $1,200 refund. So the $1,000 directly increased your refund by $1,000.
See, when I hear this, to me, this is a no-brainer. Everybody should really do this.
Yes, it is really a pretty easy decision to make.
Yeah, and if anything, it saves you money. You get that refund and you can pay yourself that vacation. That's awesome. Thank you. How about other charitable credits? Will those eliminate, the QFCO contribution that you made?
So the state of Arizona has a number of different charitable tax credits. And the beauty of the system is you can stack them on top of each other. Now, your QFCO credit is again capped at 500 or 1,000, but you can still utilize the other credits like the private school tuition credit and the broader qualifying charitable organization credit. They can stack on top of each other.
That's great news. And once one of our donors and contributors make an actual contribution on our website, how do they claim the credit?
So if somebody prepares your taxes for you, it's very simple. You're going to receive some documentation from the charity, and you can provide that to your tax preparer. They will file the appropriate forms, and you'll get that credit reflected on your tax return. If you prepare your own taxes or you use something like TurboTax, you'll need to fill out Form 352 and Form 301, which sound intimidating, but they're actually very straightforward.
Thank you so much. And I really hope that this brought some clarity to whoever views this video and has questions about the charitable tax credits, because regardless, those are really helpful ways for us to grow programs and for you to get a win-win situation. I really want to make sure that people understand this great opportunity that the state of Arizona provides all of their taxpayers. So thank you so much, Justin. I really appreciate you coming in.
You're very welcome. My pleasure.